1 year in, still running. Our AP4060 has been quietly doing the heavy lifting in our shop for over a year, machining parts for the CNC machine day after day. No drama, no downtime, just work. This little guy doesn't just sit in the showroom, it's our most reliable shop hand. Tight tolerance, day in day out. Aluminum, wood, plastic, no complaints. myCNC ATC controller, industrial grade. Built in Canada. If it makes parts for CNC machines, imagine what we can do for you.